Hey guys, it's Ginny Silver, and today I want to talk to those of you that are on a PEUC extension and are seeing $0 max benefits paid. This was the #1 question asked in my live stream today, so I wanted to issue its own standalone video for you guys. Now, the EDD messed up. In their press release a week ago, 2 weeks ago, they stated PUA and PEUC claimants with a claim balance remaining at the end of the year would be among the first group of claimants to receive the additional 11-week extension funded to their claims. Well, you guys, that's true for PUA claimants. However, with PEUC claimants, if you had a remaining balance, what actually is happening is that you must reach zero. You need to get all the way down to a $0 balance. So that means if you had a balance remaining at the end of the year, you would continue to certify and you would be paid out for only the remainder of your balance until you get down to zero. Once you get down to zero, then the additional extension is going to be applied. First, you're going to see $0 maximum benefits paid. Next, you're going to then receive a notification from the EDD, either in UI Online or via mail, in about a week later. So after you see max benefits paid, $0, most likely you will then receive a notification from the EDD stating that you have had the extension automatically applied. Next step after that, you are going to most likely continue to see a $0 balance until your next time that you certify. So if you are PEUC and you are seeing max benefits paid, it's going to take another 1 to 2 weeks for you to receive the extension funded to your claim. As long as you are within your 12-month benefit year, then it will be automatically applied. Now, if you have reached the end of your 12-month benefit year, and you can check this by going to UI Online and looking at your claim start date, if you've reached the end, then you're going to have to reapply. For individuals that have been certifying and they're beyond 1 year, many of you are moving from pending to not paid, and that would be why. Now, what about for those of you that are PEUC extension that had a $0 balance at the end of the CARES Act and you are still waiting for the extension and it's been over those 2 weeks that I just specified? Well, if you had a $0 claim balance, you are actually in the second group of claimants that are having that extension automatically applied. Now, the EDD is just now adding in that additional extension to claimants that had a $0 balance. They didn't give an end date on exactly when they would finish this process. So yes, we are still waiting and having them automatically apply those extensions. Now, for those of you that do want to call into customer service, now I am hearing from many subscribers that when they call into customer service and they ask to have the extension applied, that they are successfully receiving that extension pushed through by customer service over the phone. It depends on who you get, and it depends on your own specific claims. Do you have to do anything to receive the extension? If you're seeing a max benefits paid, $0, no. Wait, and the extension will be applied automatically. But can you call in? Yes, you can call in if you want to, and you might be able to have success with getting it added in. Okay, guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below.